Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Today is 4 July 2020. In this session, we are going to discuss and analyze the today's current affairs. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs session. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was India's first plasma bank is going to set up in which city? Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kochi. The correct answer here is option B, Delhi. In Delhi, plasma bank is going to be set off. Okay. Our second question was हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय campaign started in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Goa. The correct answer here is option A, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, to help the students, हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय campaign is started. Okay. So proceed towards today's first question. World Sports Journalist Day is celebrated on 30 June, 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July. The correct answer here is 2nd of July. World Sports Journalist Day is celebrated. The aim of the day to acknowledge the work of the sports journalists to encourage them to do better at their work. So this day is celebrated. Next question. Karnam Sekhar retired as MD and CEO of which bank? IOB, SBI, PNB, SDFC. The correct answer here is option A, Indian Overseas Bank. IOB abbreviation is Indian Overseas Bank. Karnam Sekhar recently retired as Managing Director and CEO of from Indian Overseas Bank. Headquarters of the IOB is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and founded it is in 1937. 10 of February 1937, IOB is founded. You can see the image of the Karnam Sekhar here. He recently retired from the MD and CEO of from IOB. Next question. Veteran choreographer Saroj Khan passed away. What is her real name? Saroja Roy, Nirmala Nakpal, Meera Sharma, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Nirmala Nakpal. Veteran Bollywood choreographer Saroj Khan passed away, and her real name is Nirmala Nakpal, but she is famous at the name of the Saroj Khan. Okay, you can see the image of the Saroj Khan here, the dancing queen. Saroj Khan first break as an the independent choreographer came with Geeta Mera Naam in 1974. Okay, next question. Who released the book The Future of Higher Education recently? Ramnath Kovind, Narendra Modi, Venkaiah Naidu, Rajnath Singh. The correct answer here is option C, Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu has virtually released the book Future of Higher Education. The book is authored by C.A. V. Pattabhiram. C.A. V. Pattabhiram is the author of this book. Okay, and it is virtually event held by in ICT Academy, and the headquarters of the ICT Academy is in Chennai. Chairman is Lakshmi Narayan, is the chairman of ICT Academy. Okay, next question. Who honored as Great Immigrants 2020? Siddharth Mukherjee, Raj Sethi. Option C both A and B. Option D none of these. The correct answer here is option C, both A and B. Great Immigrants 2020 award honored by both A and B, Siddharth Mukherjee and Raj Sethi. Okay. Pulitzer Prize winning physician author Siddharth Mukherjee and Howard economist Raj Sethi honored as Great Immigrants 2020 award. Okay. You can see the image of the Raj Sethi and Siddharth Mukherjee here. Next question. Which institute develops teaching setup Mobile Master G? Option A, IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur. The correct answer here is option A, IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur recently developed the teaching setup Mobile Master G. It will be very much helpful for students in rural India. This setup can be record the lectures or instructions by the teachers while using their available smartphones. Okay, next question. India and which country forms LPG 50-50 joint venture company JVC joint venture company? Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. The correct answer here is option B, Bangladesh. Recently, India and Bangladesh forms LPG 50-50 joint venture company. Bangladesh is in news. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, currency is Taka, and Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh Hasina is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Okay. Question number 8. Who approved 750 million US dollar emergency response program for MSME? IMF, World Bank, ADB, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, World Bank. World Bank approved 750 million dollar to MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises. Okay, the World Bank is in news. The headquarters of World Bank is in Washington DC. In Washington DC, headquarters of the World Bank is situated. World Bank is founded in 1944. On 1944, World Bank is established. Okay, and the president of the World Bank is David Malpass. David Malpass is the president of World Bank. Question number 9. Russian President Vladimir Putin records victory in presidential poll. He is stay in power until which year? 2025, 2030, 2032, 2036. The correct answer here is option D, 2036. Russian President Vladimir Putin records the victory recently in presidential poll and he is stay in power since 2036. Okay. Russia is in news. The capital of Russia is Moscow and currency is ruble. Currency is ruble. Okay. Next question. The government of India has approved special liquidity scheme for NBFCs and HFCs of how many crore? 25,000 crore, 30,000 crore, 35,000 crore, 40,000 crore. The correct answer here is option B, 30,000 crore. You can see here NBFC, non-banking financial company is the abbreviation of NBFC, and housing finance company is the abbreviation of the HFC. Okay, the government of India recently approved 30,000 crore to non-banking financial company and housing finance companies. Okay, next, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. First question is, which bank launched e-Kishan Dhan app for farmers? Second question is, which country cancelled the APEC Summit 2021? Please try to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Stay connected with Educational Wing for your better preparation. Thank you.